Hello. So we are looking at who polluted Crystal Lake. It's another CER. First off, an environmental group has made a horrible discovery while testing the water at 5 sites on Earth Day. Someone had contaminated the lake. The once crystal clear water of Crystal Lake was now polluted. The group suspected the chemicals were released from one of the factories located along the river or on Crystal Lake. Use the clues in the map to determine who polluted Crystal Lake. Stop the pollution and save our water. So here's a picture of the lake where you have factory A, B, C, D, and E. You have the different rivers and then Crystal Lake. Here's your information, which you will use to put into these sites. Don't forget right here, I would suggest putting the sites that were contaminated and the sites that were not contaminated, so you can eliminate some of the things from here. Delete that, which is really weird that it was there. All right. So that's one thing you can get rid of, like not have to write into these parts. Location. You're just gonna tell me the location of it. Is it on the river? If it's on a river, what river is it on? Is it next to the lake? Write that down. Any other information that you found out, put it in here on this side. Everything should be filled out. And then finally, right here, you're going to write in your claim, evidence, reasoning. So your claim, who do you think polluted Crystal Lake? I think so-and-so polluted Crystal Lake. Evidence, you must discuss all of the evidence. So you're going to give me all the evidence that points to that factory polluting the lake. And you're going to tell me why it can't be at least one other. So you say, I think it's this factory because of this, and this. But it cannot be this factory because of this. Or it cannot be this factory, and this factory because of this. You got to give me that counterclaim. And then reasoning. You got to tell, that's the evidence. That's giving me all that evidence. What does it tell you? Well, because it's here, it's the only one that can do it. Or because it's there, that confused a little bit of things. You got to give me a reason why you believe it's that. Not just, here's my evidence, here's the reason. Well, it's because this and this and this, but that person couldn't because of that, which leads you to see that this is the only one that could do it. All right? The rubric's going to look very, very similar. You're going to have table for A, B, C, D, and E. You've got to fill in the location and the other information. You're going to have points for the site's contaminated, the site's not contaminated. So you do have to fill out these two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to have 7 things on this side to fill out. Then you're going to be graded for your claim. You're going to be graded for all of the evidence. And then you're going to be graded for at least one other suspect not being on there. And then you're going to be graded on the reasoning. All right? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. And don't forget to hop on Zoom and see and talk to me. Besides that, I hope you guys have a great day.